Big changes are coming to the United Kingdom's immigration processes. And if you're planning to visit the United Kingdom soon, this could impact your trip. Right now, if you're from a country that requires a visitor visa for the UK, the process usually involves completing an online application, booking an appointment at a visa application center, submitting your biometric information, and, in most cases, leaving your passport so a physical visa sticker can be placed inside it. Once approved, that sticker is what allows you to travel and request entry at the border. But starting on February 25th, 2026, the UK government will officially switch to a fully digital system for visitor visas. This means no more physical visa stickers in your passport. Instead, approved travelers will receive a UK eVisa. So what exactly is an eVisa? An eVisa is a digital record of your immigration status. Once your UK visitor visa is approved, your permission to travel will be stored electronically and linked directly to your passport through a UK Visas and Immigration, or UKVI for short, online account. When you check in for your flight or arrive at the UK border, you will need to provide your digital passport information on the UKVI account and your status will be verified. This move is part of the UK's broader plan to modernize its border and immigration system. The goal is to make the process more secure, more efficient, and easier to manage. With e-visas, there is no risk of losing or damaging a visa sticker. And you won't have to worry about transferring a visa if you renew your passport. Your status will be managed online. If you already have a valid UK visa sticker issued before February 25th, 2026, don't worry. It will remain valid until its expiry date. However, all new visitor visa approvals from the 25th of February onward will be issued digitally. All of the requirements for a UK visitor visa still apply. You'll need a passport valid for 6 months beyond your stay, proof of financial stability, return or onward travel, and accommodation. If you've completed a biometric appointment after the 1st of November 2024, you do not need to go for an appointment for biometric data. If before the 1st of November 2024, you will have to attend an appointment, but all future applications will use this data. The application process will still begin online, but travelers will need to ensure that they create and properly manage their UKVI account, as that is where their eVisa status will be stored. It's also more important than ever to ensure that your passport details are accurate and up to date, because your digital visa will be electronically linked to that specific passport. As exciting as this digital transition is, it also means travelers need to be extra careful during the application process to avoid mistakes that could delay approval or cause issues at the airport. That's where iVisa comes in. When you apply with iVisa, our team guides you step by step, reviews your application for accuracy, and helps ensure your documents meet UK requirements, giving you peace of mind during this uncharted transition to e-visas. If this video helped you understand the UK's new digital visa system, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you always are up to date on the latest travel requirements. To get started on your UK trip today, head over to ivisa.com. We have left the link in the description below to make your process quick and easy. Safe travels!